Hello, Zippo world. Mr. Zippo here. I'm going to go over some lighters here that have kind of a military theme. Uh, you may have a veteran that you know or somebody in the service you'd like to give a nice gift to. And you might consider a keepsake, memorabilia of the military. So Zippo, over the years, going back to World War I or World War II, that's why one of the reasons they invented the windproof Zippo lighter was for the military. They packaged them in a certain way. I've only seen one in the original little cardboard pack that they would give the military a Zippo lighter. I'm guessing they were like 50 cents back then, or maybe they gave them away for free. But let's start off with the United States Air Force. There we go. United States Air Force, a little plastic display. This lighter is, says it's brand new. This is, it's got the Matte, M-A-T-T-E covering. Yep. Even though this has been opened, this is brand new lighter. The seal has been broken, but it's never been fired. And 1998, that's 22 years ago, this lighter has survived in somebody's display case. There's a Zippo on the bottom. And it's on the bottom, it's an XIV, 1998. 1998, brand new, Matte, M-A-T-T-E. M-A-T-T-E, and actually, it looks black, but I think it's blue, or the Air Force, everything is blue, United States Air Force. So you may know somebody who was in the Air Force 1998. They'd love to have this as a gift. Makes a great gift. And got the Zippo guarantee right there. Paperwork. Does not have the original barcode or stick, just the plastic display. So this might have been in a jewelry store someplace. And just brand new. I mean, makes a nice gift if you know somebody in the Air Force now or was in the Air Force. You can go to my eBay store, Christos G 510, Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force. CHRISTOS G 510. Okay, next up is another Air Force. 2011. Let's see what this looks like. Ah, my goodness. Okay, 9-year-old lighter, but it's not old. It's brand new. Look at those jets heading up there to the sky, U.S. Air Force. Chrome on the sides, brushed on the front, black matte. That could be navy, that could be blue too, the dark blue for the Air Force maybe, or it could be black. U.S. Air Force, brand new. Seal is not broken. From the factory, brand new. There it is. The 2 slashes off to the right. This is L for Lima. Oh, it's 2-1. Yeah, it's 2011. Lima, 2011. Those two number ones almost look like 2 slashes, but that's 2011, 9-year-old, brand new. Let's see what the box says. They're advertising the, yep, original box, original barcode. There it right is. U.S. Air Force. Advertising in the middle there of the butane insert that you can get. So cover. Box is in great shape. It's a nice collectible. Military. When I was in the Navy in Vietnam, there's nothing better than having that Zippo lighter in your pocket, in your blue dungarees, not blue jeans, dungarees, off the coast of North Vietnam. Reach in there, pull that Zippo lighter out, light up some Luckies, Pall Malls. Yeah, boy. Okay. Yeah, if the war didn't kill you, cigarettes would. So, okay, what we got here? Oh, here we go. Navy. A used Navy 2016. Okay. Boy, wasn't used much. It almost looks like, okay, maybe it was, you know, they all spark. Now, I say this is used because, you know, when I don't have the factory seal and you can tell it's been sparked, you can tell by the wick has some blackness to it, but it's because, so somebody might have, it's got the little plastic case here that fits in. Beautiful. And 2016, so basically an almost new Zippo lighter, 2016. That you can find on eBay. Christos G510, CHRISTOS 510, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. Marines. We love the Marines. We love the Air Force. All of our military. Now here's one. This is my mystery. This has an emblem. It's brand new lighter. Okay, brand new. Never opened. Kind of a brushed chrome. But here is a 10. I've looked all over the internet trying to find this military unit. It's something 10. It's either the 10th Division. I'm guessing it's Army. It's got 10 stars down at the bottom, and the X there in that logo or insignia. Insignia is what you would call it in the Army. That's an Army insignia, either Division 10, Troop 10, I don't know. But I see some 2017, so 3 years old basically from manufacture, but for all purposes, it's a brand new lighter. Still factory sealed. We got a box. Yep, we got a box. We got a nice Zippo box. Fits right in there in the felt, keeps it nice. Put that Zippo lid on there. No barcode, but for most intents and purposes, a nice gift. If you know somebody in the Army that was in 10th Division, or could be 10th Armor Division. Pretty recent. Maybe it's the National Guard. Keep that in a nice plastic sealed, keep the air off of it. Okay, now here's an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to show you a lighter from 1965. It was definitely in the Vietnam War. And it's the 2nd Division Marines. See the big 2 there? Marine Corps, that's a Marine Corps. Now, I had to send this off to the factory and get it refurbished. So it's a nice working lighter with the factory seal, hinge. You can see on the back, this is battle battle worn. This was in the pocket of a Marine in Vietnam. 1965 is when he purchased this, maybe just before he was deployed. But this Marine outfit was definitely in Vietnam. You research the 2nd Division Marines, 2nd Corps. They did some battle. I must have cut myself shaving there. Oh well. Mr. Zippo will survive. But that is a real nice memento. You know a Marine, whether he's in the Marine Corps now, maybe he's in 2nd Corps. Maybe you have a grandfather that was in 2nd Corps, 66, 67, some of those major battles that the Marines fought. They lost a lot of Marines. So this is a kind of a forever gift. And I do have the original, this was the original insert that Zippo replaced. So if you did purchase this or inquired about it on eBay, like Christo's G510 eBay store, you could request the insert before you buy it. Don't do it afterwards, because if somebody doesn't request it, you know, it gets shipped without it. So you'd have to, you know, send a message to the seller that you would like the insert also, you know, included. Some of them it states that, some of it doesn't. If it doesn't state it, it's not coming with it. And some we don't have the original insert, but some we do. So here's some military memorabilia, some current Air Force, Navy. We got that Marines, Army. So we've covered the Marines, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force. I got to show you some Coast Guard here in the future. Can't forget the Coast Guard. Also on that eBay store, Christo's G510, there are hundreds of military memorabilia, a lot of original World War II, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, original patches, because the original patches, they're stitched differently. They were made here in the U.S., not made overseas, and some pretty good ones there, which is nice keepsakes to have, and they're pretty inexpensive too. So, have any questions? Don't forget to send me a message, and you can go to Facebook, Zippo World, or Facebook, Mr. Zippo, 2 Facebook sites, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be reviewing hundreds and hundreds of Zippo lighters moving forward. You might see one that you really like. And this is, you know, besides the photographs on eBay, which is usually about 12 photographs, you can get a little bit better look here too. You can see the quality, little explanation, that type of thing. So don't hesitate to contact me, Mr. Zippo, here at Zippo World. And stay tuned for more Zippo. You Zipponites. Zipponites, that's what you, if you're either a Zippo addict or you're a Zippo collector or just a plain Zippo night. It's Mr. Zippo saying, keep your wicks dry. I don't know why I say that, but that's a good one. See ya.